Hey folks, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here, and today we are doing an update to 2750 Aviamar. This is a Summerwood floor plan by Pulte Homes over in Fiddlers Creek in Naples, Florida. This home is a 3-bedroom plus den, comes with a pool, 2-car garage property, tile roof. Lots of really nice upgrades in this home. Let's run inside here and take a look. This home should be complete within about the next 30 days or so. So as you come inside the home here, we're gonna start off to our right. And to our right, you're gonna have a few different things. You're gonna have the first guest bedroom up here towards the front of the home, with a nice bay window, allowing for plenty of light. And then you've got your closet there as well. And you've got your guest bathroom here. You've got white cabinets and a lighter shade of tile, which goes all the way up to the ceiling. Really nice there. Then you've got a linen closet right outside the guest bath. Now, directly across from the guest bedroom, you've got your laundry space here. Huge laundry room here. Plenty of room for storage, and comes with a full-size washer and dryer. You've got your access to the garage here. And this is where your hot water tank will be. And just to the left of the garage as you come back inside the home is your second guest bedroom here. Now this bedroom here has a walk-in style closet. And its own bathroom. So this is an ensuite right here. Again, white cabinets. Same tile as what you saw in the first guest bath there. And then you also have a linen closet directly right behind here. Now coming back into the main area, before we get there actually, we're gonna take a look at the tile, because this is the tile that you're gonna see really through the entire house here. The bedrooms will have carpet. Now here's our den. You've got the double doors. And it's a true den. You've got a window but no closet. So you've got a true den here. And this brings us out into our main living space here. Nice, great room design. You've got the 4 transom style windows, allowing for lots of light. You've got your tray ceiling with the decorative cross. And then you've got your kitchen here. You've got your flat island, the white cabinets, really nice subway style backsplash. You do have gas here as well, so you have a gas cooktop, built-in microwave. You've got the corner pantry here, really nice size pantry. And then you've got your fridge. Now take note, this is not the correct fridge for this home. It will be a stainless fridge to match the other appliances as you see here. Here and here. And then here's a look out onto your great room from your kitchen. You've got your dining space right over here. And one of the unique things about this home is you have this 90-degree pocketing slider. So all of these sliding glass doors tuck nicely away and open up the space directly to the outside. We'll get to that in a moment. First, we're gonna check out the master bedroom. Really nice sized master bedroom. Again, lots of light with the big windows, and you've got the tray ceiling as well. Now this is an impressive master bath here. You've got your dual sinks, again the white cabinets, quartz countertops. But look at the shower. This is a huge shower here which comes with a bench built in already. A nice little nook there for all your hair products and things of that nature. You've got your enclosed water closet here. You've got another linen closet here. And then you've got your main closet here with the multi-tiered racks. So really nice size closet space here. And last but not least, we have the exterior views and pool area. So you've got a nice size lanai under truss here. You have all the built-ins here for an outdoor kitchen. So you've got your electric, your gas, your water. And then you've got your pool area here. Beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. Lots of room out here to enjoy. And the pool here, not sure if you can tell, but there will be a water fountain feature. You can see the slot right there, so you'll have water coming right out onto there, onto your pool area. And then this is your view from left to right. You've got a little lake towards the left, some palm trees, and eventually you'll have another home next to you, but that should be the lanai space that you're seeing over there. And the builder has also agreed to put up additional landscaping, areca palms on the side of the home in order to provide more privacy and also a sound barrier from some of the noise. You do experience a little bit of noise from via 41, which is past the wall back there. All right, guys, so this is 2750 Aviamar. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at any of the information below. Our emails and numbers are below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching.